Being alone is harder for your health than you believe. We're the most imaginative at night and the least creative in the day. Being home alone and isolated for a long time is just as bad for your well-being as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. If you sob out of happiness, the first tear will come from the right eye, but if you cry out of sorrow, it will come from the left. Men aren't more entertaining than women. They only make more jokes, and they don't care whether others like their humor or not. Shy people tell others very little about themselves, but they do it in quite a manner that makes other individuals believe they know them better than they think they do. Smart people tend to have fewer mates than the average person. The smarter the individual, the more selective they become. People who speak two languages can unintentionally change their personalities. When they switch from one language to another, people are more likely to blame someone in the case when something negative happens. Studies also found that people who are in a position of influence and power are very poor at determining other people's emotions. People between the ages of 18 and 33 have the highest percentage of depression in the world. Studies say that travel improves brain well-being and even lowers a person's chance of heart disease and depression. Cognitive dissonance is when you have two contradictory values and you change one to match another. Women have half as many pain receptors on their bodies as males, but they have a much greater threshold for pain. The maximum number of close friendships you can maintain is between 50 and 150. Any relationship born between 16 and 28 years of age is more likely to be robust and long-lasting. Emotional pain is remembered better than actual pain, which has a greater influence on your behavior. If we have a plan B, our plan is less likely to succeed. It takes about 66 days for an average individual to make something a daily habit.